Hello everyone, today we are going to make a LED delay blinker using Arduino. This project demonstrates how any LED can blink and regulate time intervals by using delay. In the Arduino program, it is one of the basic projects of learning digital output control. In this project, we use the following component. First, Arduino Uno, some colorful LEDs, breadboard, jumper wires and Uno cable. Now we start building the project. Connect the 5V pin of from Arduino to the positive rail of the breadboard. Next, connect the GND pin of the Arduino to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we connect the LEDs. So the first LED is connected directly to the negative terminal of the Arduino, and the second, third, fourth. The negative side of the LEDs is connected to GND and the positive side is connected to the Arduino. Red LED positive terminal is connected to Arduino D8. Yellow positive terminal is connected to D9. The green LED positive terminal is connected to D10. In the last, blue positive terminal is connected to D11. Now we connect the Arduino to the laptop using the Uno cable.
Okay, so we have completed our code. Next thing we will be doing is connecting our board to the computer using USB cable. So if you hear this sound, that means it is connected and working. USB cable is good, that means. So after connecting, we will be going into the tool sections, and in the tool section we will be going to the boards, and we will be going into the Arduino AVR boards, and on the top second there will be Arduino Uno. That's our board. We will be selecting it. Next thing we will be doing is selecting the COM port, and on the port section I can see COM port 18 Arduino Uno. I will be selecting it. Okay, we have selected our board, selected our port. Next thing we will be doing is firstly compile the code. After compiling, we will be going to this upload button and click upload. It will be compiling again. And it's uploaded. So now let's see our output.
After uploading the code, the system is ready. When we plug it on, the buzz LEDs is glowing in a sequence with after 1 second delay. Each LED lights up one after another with some delay, creating a blinking pattern. This process repeats continuously. This project is used in decorative lighting, signal indicators, industry advertising, and some learning basic of Arduino programs. Thank you and happy learning.